Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to save document. So if you want to save a document in Microsoft Word, you can go to file menu and then you can click the save tools. Another option, you also can click the save as, like click it in here, and you can choose your folder to save, like I will use browse tools, and then you can browse your folder to save. After it, you can set for the file names, and the next you can change for the sub type, like into PDF or as default to be set into document dot docx, or you can save into another. If you don't, you can click save. So that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to save a document. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.